All the participants are required to ensure a good internet connectivity, laptop, proper audio, video devices beforehand. Any issues arising due to these will not be considered while giving scores. So kindly make sure of it. Any issues participants may be asked to switch on their video and unmute their mic at any given point of time during the event. Kindly make sure of it. Using unfair means to answer is strictly prohibited. Creating a chaos or messing with other participants is not allowed. All the participants will be added in a temporary WhatsApp group, which they have already been added, as you all might be knowing, with the organizing team for proper coordination. Only the admin of this group is allowed to send instructions. It is compulsory for all participants to log in for the event with the same Google ID of the name with which they registered. Any other name ID will be disqualified while giving the scores. Kindly check that out right now. Participants can raise their queries and clear any doubts by contacting that organizing team in the WhatsApp group. Grievance handling will also be done by the same method. Non-compliance with any of these rules can lead to your disqualification, so be very alert. So that the confusion is not there, we will be showing you a demo for each round. One question we will show in demo, after which you will have to attempt the others. And then the Excel sheet will be shown right now for round 1 and after round 2 also. But for the third round, the winners will be announced directly in the valedictory round. So you will have to wait till then. As you have already done round 1, let me introduce you all with the rules for round 2, which is being conducted right now between 1:40 to 2:10 p.m. Only top 10 participants from round 1 have reached this round based on scores. Images will be shown to you via screen sharing here. Please note that this is a voluntary round. Whosoever raises the hand first will be called out to answer. Only the called person will type the answer with the correct spellings in the chat box in the given time frame. Note that an answer written in wrong spellings will not be considered. And if you have answered the question when someone else has been called, that also won't be considered. The question will become null and void right then and there. Each question holds 7 marks in this round. Overall, 30 questions will be asked. Time limit per question will be given 20 seconds, after which it cannot be answered. And unlike the previous round, there will be no negative marking. I hope the rules are clear to you all for this round. Any doubts, people? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So I request my team members to kindly share their screen and show the Excel sheet where it has been written who all have been chosen for round 2. Only those chosen ones can stay and rest participants can leave.
Hi guys, I'll be presenting the Excel sheet right now. Just a second. Yeah, you guys can see it, right? So this is the Excel sheet. Yeah, so these are the guys that are going forward to the next level or round.
So let's just read out the names of these people who have to stay. Rishabh Mishra.
Yes.
Ronak Dan.
Yes, ma'am.
Anuradha. Anuradha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anshu Sharma. Anshu Sharma. Okay, I think we will have to call him from the WhatsApp group. Aditya Verma,
Yes, I'm here.
Rahul UV, Rahul UV. Okay, Abhishek Anand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Aparna.
Yes.
Aparna.
Yes.
Yes, kindly stay. Abhishek Anand just said yes. Okay. So Ajay Kuruvilla.
Yes.
Okay. Anandu Krishnan
Yes, ma'am.
and M Prasanna Vignesh.
Yeah, I'm here.
Kindly you all stay and rest all can leave. Thank you all for participating in round 1. I hope you enjoyed the first round in the Google Forms. We can continue with round 2 with other participants. Okay, so they have to join with the YouTube link also.
If they want. Yeah.
Okay.
And first round winner, kindly stay here, guys.
Arun, can you just cross check if the persons we announced are in the meeting here right now?
Okay, Kiran, okay.
Bro, should I show you the names again, or is it you have it with you?
No, I have. Don't worry.
Yeah. Bye.
Hello, Kiran.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, Anshu Sharma is not there.
Can you call him? The contact number he might have given. Please call him and ask.
Okay, Kiran. Anandu Krishnan is there or not? Hello, Anandu Krishnan.
Not here.
Contact him also, Arun.
Okay, Guru.
Yes. Yes. Anandakrishna.
Yeah, Anandu just joined.
Okay.
We are waiting for just one participant here. We don't want to leave out anybody. So we will just proceed within few minutes if you join. Yes, Arun. Did you contact him? Is he coming?
Yeah, Kiran. Yes. We already joined, Kiran.
Okay, good. Great. We can start then. If anything was not clear in the rules that I read out, please check it in the PDF again that we have sent in the group. Any queries are there, please ask. Now we will be showing you a demo of how to do the questions in round 2. I would request Saurav here to share the screen.
Yeah.
We can do one question and then you people can know how to do them.
Yeah. So I should present the first question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Round 2, first question is starting right now. 1 second. Guys, just a second. I'll just present my screen. Yeah. Guys, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, Saurav.
Yeah. So guys, this is your first question and your 20 seconds will start now. Last 10.
I have the answer.
3, 2, 1, and your time's up.
So Naveen, tell me who is raising hand first?
Ajay. Ajay Kodvila.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, Ajay Kurvila, you can share your answer in the chat box.
Yeah.
Ajay, write it in caps and don't make any spelling mistakes.
As we can see here in the chat box, apart from Ajay Kuruvilla, other people have also answered. Like Safat has answered Touchwood here. Anandu has answered touchscreen here. So please do not type the answer in the chat box unless your name is called out. Okay. Make sure the answer written is in capital letters completely and in correct spellings. Can we go ahead? Arun, first please tell that one participant has entered or not.
I think everyone is there.
Sorry.
Everyone is there, Kiran. Everyone is there.
Okay, great. Then we can go ahead. Saurav, please continue.
Wait. Three person are already have raised their hand. So please make sure that. So hello,
This is
Ajay.
a demo, bro. This is a demo.
Yeah, make sure
Okay.
that your hands are down after the question is answered. Everybody, please put your hands down.
Kiran, one minute wait. Kindly, can I check once more? List.
Yeah.
Hello, Kiran. Actually, there is one person. I think she is having network issue.
Okay, so as we had written it
She is
down.
asking, give me 1 minute.
Okay. We can adjust that much, I guess, but not more than 1 minute. We had already mentioned that they have to ensure a stable network beforehand. That is not our responsibility to consider. Just 1 more minute and then we can go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, so we should get ahead with this. If he joins, we will see later. But for now, we can go ahead. Okay,
She
Saurabh.
is texting right now. She is texting Kiran. Actually, she said, I'm now. She is joining by phone. What will
That's not a problem. That's not a problem. That's okay. She can. Saurabh.
But name should be same, na?
Yeah. Name should be there. Saurav, please continue with the second question and conduct it towards completion.
Okay. So, guys, your second question will be shown right now, and please raise your hands and do the following. The 20 seconds is started. Come on, guys. And that's it. Your time's up.
Prashna Vignesh, who raised his hand first.
Prashna Vignesh, please type the answer in the chat box. Rest all, please put your hands down. Aparna, kindly put your hand down.
Aditya Verma, put your hands down, please.
Nando is not here. Nando is. Yeah, this is the link for final round.
Is the answer there in the chat box?
Yeah, you can live stream it, but the event will start at. The event will start at 2:05. Okay, sorry for the correction. Like 2:10. We'll be starting at 2:10.
Yeah, Kiran answer is there in chat box.
Okay, thank you.
Go to third question.
Yeah. So, guys, your third
It is,
question
idea.
is. Yes. Time starts. Come on, guys, last 10 seconds.
Good afternoon,
Five,
Edwin sir.
4, 3.
Sir,
two,
we are planning to
Let it be.
comment the round at 10.
Anudiman, I think.
Anudiman.
Yeah, Anudiman will write the answer
Thank
in
you,
the
sir.
chat box now. Please put your hands down, everyone. Anandu, please put your hands down.
Hello. This is Emily. Hi, Emily. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll change it and then present it again. Yeah, remove the delay and then present.
Shall we go to next question? Or
Okay, guys, your fourth question is shown. 20 seconds. Last 10. 5 more, guys, fast. And your time's up.
Aparna Byju's. Aparna, please write your answer in the chat box. Answer should be correct and in capital letter. Mind it.
Put your hands down, Anandu, Aditya, and Aparna.
Guys, has she given the answer?
Aparna has answered, Saurav.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Someone just keep confirming me that they have answered because I can't see the screen right.
Okay, so I'll confirm that. And
Yeah.
Naveen, Abhay, I hope you people are writing their scores side by side.
Yes, Kiran.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, guys. So your next question, the fifth question is here. Come on, guys. Last 3 seconds. 2, 1, and your time's up.
Anu Divan. Please write your answer in the chat box.
Rest all, put your hands down. Anu, you too, put your hands down. So Anu has answered the question. We can move forward.
Fine. Guys, your 6th question. And time starts. Last 10 seconds. 5 more. And time's up.
Silky Sharma.
Silky Sharma. Put your hands down, everyone. Silky has answered now. We can move forward.
Fine. 7th question, guys. And your time starts now. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and your time's up.
Anu Divan. Please write your answer in the chat box.
Aparna, Rishabh, and Anu, put your hands down, please.
Anu Divan has answered the question. Can we move
Okay.
forward?
So the 8th question is out, guys. This time starts now. Come on, guys, speed it up. Last 3 seconds. 2, 1, and the time's up.
Silky Sharma.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I believe I raised the hand first. Do you have? How are you monitoring who raises the hand first?
In the people list,
Yes,
if
bro.
you see,
Yes,
it
yes.
will show order-wise who raised the hand first, who raised it second, third, and all.
Yeah,
Please
yeah.
go in the people
But
section and you'll find it out.
I didn't send it to people yet, so I'll be sending it to people. Then
Okay.
you can share this.
Yeah, thank you, Rishabh.
I'll tell the time when to start, bro. Okay. I'll tell the time when to
Silky has
start
answered.
the
We can go ahead.
stream.
Fine, guys, your 9th question. Fifteen more seconds. Five more. And your time's up.
Anu Divan. Please write your answer in the chat box.
Yes, he or she has written the answer.
Yeah. Guys, your 10th question is out here. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and your time's up.
Aditya Verma.
Aditya has answered.
Yeah. So, guys, your 11th question. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and that'll be it. Who's raised their hands?
Aparna, Baju.
Yes, she has given the answer.
Okay. So the next question is, last 5, bro. And your time's up.
Aparna, Baju. Kindly please write your answer in the chat box.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Now, moving on to the final round of the event Bulwark. We will be providing a case study and will be allocating 2 minutes for preparation and
She has given the answer.
8 minutes.
Okay, guys, your 13th question is, come on, guys, last 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time's up.
Anudivan.
She has answered the question.
Sir,
We
good
can
morning.
just take a
Very
little,
good
Wait.
morning.
a
Good morning,
little
sir.
break
Good
here.
morning,
I
madam. Good
want
morning,
to
sir.
request Naveen to please ask them to put their hands down after every question as well. Please keep a check on that as well, Naveen.
Okay.
Okay, please
So,
proceed, Saurabh.
yeah, the 14th question.
You can
is
go
here.
ahead.
Last 5 seconds, guys. And that's it.
Prashna Vignesh.
Yeah, he has answered.
He have answered.
So your 15th question is here.
Wait.
Wait, in the sense.
Actually, one girl have not put her hand down.
Ask them to put their hands down as soon as they are writing in the chat box.
Yeah, please request them to that because I think they might keep forgetting it.
So
Okay,
I am requesting you to all put your hands down if you finish the question or answer.
move ahead, Saurabh.
Yeah.
This question has been disqualified.
Sure.
The person was not called out and Anudiman wrote the answer. So we can move ahead.
Yeah, this question will not be counted, guys. So your next question is, last 10 seconds. 5 more. And your time's up.
Aditya Verma. Please write your answer.
He has given the answer. Move ahead.
Right. Everyone's hands down, right?
No, bro. Wait. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Next question is, last 10 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's it.
Aditya Verma. Please write your answer in the chat box.
He has given the
And
answer.
please, everyone, put your hand down, please. Aditya Verma also. Okay. Saurabh, you can go ahead now.
Yeah. Your 18th question is given. Last 3 seconds, guys. 2, 1, and your time's up.
Silky Sharma. Please write your answer in the chat box, and everyone put your
She
hand
has
down, please.
given the
Silky and
answer. She has given the answer.
Yes. Everyone's hands down, right?
now you can go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Next
you
question,
can go
guys.
ahead.
Last 5 seconds, guys. And that's it.
Aditya Verma, please write your answer in the chat box.
Aditya has given the answer.
I request you all, Aparna and Aditya, please put your hands down. Yeah, okay, you can go ahead.
The
Sorry.
20th question, guys, and your time starts. Last 10 seconds, guys. 5 more. And your time's up.
And I request you all, put your hands down. Aparna, Raju, Anudivan.
Yeah, Aditya has answered.
Anudivan, okay.
Naveen, I request you to
Okay.
please be very sure of who is raising the hand first, the name of the person. I think
Yeah.
someone had a confusion before also, so that should not arise. Please make sure of that.
Okay.
Hey, guys.
Okay.
So
No
your
problem.
next question is, yeah. Make it fast, guys. 5 more seconds. And your time's up.
Anudivan, please write your answer.
Yeah.
Okay, you can
He has
put your
given
hands
the
down.
answer.
Everyone, please keep
Okay,
your
you can
hands
go
down.
ahead, sort of. Yeah, you can go ahead.
22nd question is out. Last 3 seconds. 2, 1, and your time's up.
Aparna Baju, please write your answer. And you both, you can put your hands down. Aparna Baju.
She has given the answer.
Yeah.
You can go ahead, Saurabh.
Yeah. 23rd question's out, guys. Last 5. And that is it. Time's up.
Aditya Verma.
He has answered.
Yeah. All the hands are down.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Guys, your next question is here. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time's up.
Aditya Verma.
Yeah, he has given.
Fine.
Put your hands down, please. Aparna, Anu, Divan. Okay, you can go ahead, Saurabh.
25th question is out, guys.
Hello.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I'm
Yeah.
sure that
Yes.
I have raised this hand first. Hello.
Please check in the people section. It comes in the people section only. It is not manually decided by us who raised the hand first. There is no chance of discrepancy in that unless we announce it wrong. The system identifies it correctly.
Kiran, I guess others saw the next question too, even though it was for 1
No,
second.
no problem, no problem. You
Fine,
can
right?
go ahead. Yeah.
So your 25th question, guys.
Anu, Divan, please. Bro, we should disqualify this question because Anidivan was raised her hands first and 24 question number 24. So we can disqualify this question or not.
Okay, so we disqualify this question. Next, please.
Guys, everyone, please keep
Please.
your hands down.
Anu, Divan, please put your hands down.
Anu,
Divan.
your
Anu.
hand is still up.
No, okay.
Yeah. Guys, your 26th question. And last 3, 2, 1, and the time's up.
Used in every
Aditya
sectors,
Verma, please
especially
add your
in
answer in
business
the chat
area,
box.
where they are like what people think
And I
women is
request to
only
all,
meant to
please
do
put your
household
hands
works
down.
in their house.
Okay.
If you are coming out into a company, if you are taking the position
Yeah,
of
he
a
has
man who
answered.
is actually
Fine.
made to
Okay,
do the
you can
work
go ahead.
according to the patriarchal society, then
Guys,
you will
the 27th
you will
question
have
is
to
here.
face these issues like this. You have to manage these issues, and if you raise any voice against these kind of people, these superior peoples, then definitely.
Last few seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Aditya Verma.
He has answered.
Okay, all hands are down.
Abhishek Anand, please put your hands down.
Those are temple
Abhishek
questions.
Anand, I request you to please put your hands down. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. 28th question, guys. Time's up, guys.
Silky Sharma, please add your answer in the chat box.
She has answered. Last 2 questions to go, guys. Please buckle up. We are moving towards the end of round 2 and then we announce the winners for round 3.
Yeah. So, guys, all hands are down, right?
Yeah.
Going
You
forward
can go
to the
ahead.
last 2 questions. Come on, guys, last 10 seconds. 5 more. 3, 2, 1, and that'll be it.
Prashna Vignesh, please write your answer in the chat box.
He has written the answer.
Oh,
Moving towards the last question, guys.
Wait. Prasna Vinesh, please put your hand on. Okay, you can go ahead, Saurabh.
guys, this will be a last question of round 2. And yes.
This question should be disqualified because before the question, some of the students raised their hands. So
I think they raised the hand as soon as the question arrived because I guess this was
Yes, Kiran.
too easy.
Yeah, it's
no,
fine.
before
Fine. I
before
mean, because
before before the question, some of the students raised their hand before.
Very clear. The
So
general manager itself, he is also
Uh,
supporting the superior manager.
How
And
did
I,
you?
Showing like
because
after the
if
question,
I am
Kiran.
circulating
He
this
was
issue
fired,
to
man.
many,
He
I
was
think
fired.
they
Okay.
raised it as soon as the
First thing we
question
did
came.
was he was
So,
fired.
okay, we
it's
can
Okay.
fine,
go ahead.
guys. Whoever
he
raised
was
the hand,
sorry, sir, I
just
can't hear
answer, I
you.
guess.
He lost the
We
job.
can
He was fired from his
give
job.
this question.
Yeah.
Please
You are
tell us
telling me
who
that the
raised the
manager
hand
is
first.
actually taking
No,
his
I
side.
guess.
Is that taking his side?
Naveen.
Do you feel like firing him is
no,
taking his
not
side?
no.
Then
Let
So
me
the
check.
general thing is that I first chose the media
Where,
platform because
where it is
the general
showing
manager is
now.
only a single
Aparna
person. But
Baiju.
if I file this
Aparna,
case
please type
to
the answer
the
in the
entire
chat box.
media, the entire
What was
society
the
is going to
necessity?
fall
That's
me
what
in
I'm
jail.
asking. What was the necessity? What
She
were
has
you
given the
planning to gain
answer.
from that other than social media
I want to
celebrity?
show the
And
society
that'll
this
be
is
it.
what happening here.
Thank
This
you,
is
guys.
what
That
our
was all
women face
about
because
round two. We will
society
be
should
announcing the
change
results
first.
within
And
5 minutes. Please
Okay,
stay logged
I
in.
accept that. If it
And
was
then we
a
move
real
towards
case,
the
okay, it
final
is
round.
proven that it was a fake case.
Thank
You
you
were
all for
framing him.
participating.
Okay, you were poor at work. You were afraid that he's gonna fire you, so you actually filed a fake case against him. It
Thank
is
you, guys.
proven
Just
here. You
wait
are
for your
talking like you are
results.
the
That'll be
person who is suffering.
given
Actually,
out soon.
you filed a fake case and the manager lost his job. It is proved. It is proven that you did the wrong thing. Okay, it is proven. You are still trying to defend yourself. At least now show some character and accept your mistake.
Kiran, we have to stay here or we can leave.
Kindly stay logged in. We will just show the result within 5 minutes. Those who are selected can stay. Those who are not can log out and just see the streaming on the YouTube if they want.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Kiran.
Yeah, Arun.
Actually, my laptop battery is very low. Yaar. But here is no electricity.
Okay, Saurav can continue.
Can I join? Can I join by another laptop?
Sorry.
Can I use another laptop, Kiran? Another laptop. It's my second laptop.
Sure, you can log in if that doesn't affect the meeting. Saurav can continue with round 3 later and please show the results soon, Naveen and
Okay.
Abhay.
Okay.
here, definitely people will think women's rights is just for a namesake. No. And you said I'm aggressive because I'm a woman, and if someone is accusing me, someone is telling that you can't do that, you are the person
Who said you can't
maybe
do anything?
knows
You
it
proved
no.
that you can do stuff. You proved that you can file a wrong case.
Okay, okay, okay. I'm making that change. So by the time this is presenting.
Okay, so we have the results here. Soon Saurabh will be displaying the result on the screen in his Excel sheet. And by that time, I am announcing the top 5 people who will move to round 3. Rest all can leave. The top 5 participants are Anu Dhiman, Aparna Baiju, Silki Sharma, Aditya Verma, Prashna Vignesh. Any doubts? I thank rest all participants for participating in round 2. You can reach the YouTube link and see the streaming online. Kindly confirm your presence, please. Anu Dhiman. Anu Dhiman. Aparna Baiju.
Guys, please respond.
Kindly respond by saying yes. Is Anu Dhiman here?
Guys, please respond.
Aparna Baiju. Silki Sharma.
Yes.
Silki Sharma.
Yeah, he's on. He's on. He's sending
Silki,
message.
please say yes if you're here. We can see you on the screen. Aditya Verma.
Yes.
Prashna Vignesh.
Yes.
So Anu and Silky didn't answer yet. We will contact them soon. Anu is here. Hi Anu, we can see you in the video.
Hello, Kiran.
Yeah. So you are there in round
Hello.
5. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, Kiran, you are very much audible. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Thank you for confirming your presence. We could very well see you in the video as well. Silky, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Great. Then we have all 5 participants. And we can proceed to round 3. Before that, we will be showing the results.
As a logistic manager, I have to make a dealer immediately to take the product and give that product to some delivery section, and the delivery section, they have to make sure that it was
Hello.
Yeah, Naveen.
Okay, I'm checking that you can hear me or not.
Yeah. Okay, so the thing is there is some issue with displaying it on the screen. So we are sending it in the WhatsApp group we had created with you people. Kindly check out the result there.
Guys, I've got it sorted out. I'll be presenting it right now.
Okay, great.
Sorry for the delay, guys. Yeah, this is the Excel sheet. In case you can't see it, I will. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, Saurav.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very much visible.
Thanks, bro. And yeah, this is your Excel sheet, guys. This will be your scores for your rounds. As we informed all the 5, please stay back as we will proceed to the last and final round.
You can check the Excel sheet again in the group if you want.
Yeah.
And we can move ahead with round 3 now.
Is enough, right, guys? Or should I keep showing you your marks?
They can check it out in the group ahead. You can
Okay.
just stop sharing the screen. We are running out of time now. Hope you all enjoyed round 2. And as we mentioned before, top 5 have reached this round. Now there are some instructions I'm going to read out, and please listen to it carefully. This round will be conducted till 3:20, at max till 3:30. This will also be conducted through Google Meet via screen sharing. Please listen carefully that one by one, each of the 5 participants will be asked to enter the meeting, only one participant at a time, which means all of you will be asked to log out now, and we will contact one person at a time and ask him or her to join the meet. And that person has to join and answer 15 questions that we will ask. Participants will be required to unmute their mic and answer the questions verbally. Each question will be of 10 marks. Time limit per question will be 20 seconds, after which it cannot be answered. One negative marking will be there to avoid a tie, which means if you give 3 wrong answers, the marks for one correct answer would be cut out. Top 2 scorers in the final round will be declared as first and second winners respectively, and will be rewarded with the cash prizes in the valedictory function. We won't be announcing the results for this round immediately. It will be announced at 5 o'clock only, so you people can join that function to know the results. Is there any doubt, guys?
I guess that
So
means
now
they're
we
clear.
want to leave the meet.
Yeah, bro, you will all have to leave. And the 5 people who were selected for the next round will be called up individually for answering the next round.
Okay.
All the participants can leave right now.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Just a second.
Five people are there in the final round.
Good
We are
afternoon,
calling them one by one, and we will ask them 15 questions
Clothes
at a time.
means nothing until
They
someone
have to
lives in
answer
it.
verbally,
You
so
can
it will
have
be really
anything
quick.
in
Won't
life
be
if
time
you
taking.
dress to it. Style
Hello,
is a
Kiran.
way to
I'm back.
say who you are without
Yeah, welcome
having
back,
to
Arun.
speak. Dear all,
Thanks, Kiran.
Bro,
fashion is
Roshan
like
George,
eating.
Abraham,
You
and
shouldn't stick to the
Sima
same
Singh
menu.
and
A
Safat
very
Hussain.
pleasant good afternoon to everyone gathered here.
Thank you guys for
It
your
is my
participation.
pleasure to welcome the
No,
judge
these are
and the
not
participants.
participants.
I am so sorry then.
They are our seniors.
I'm sorry. I have no idea.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
They should also leave now from this meeting, or they will stay here.
We have to stay. The first participant is joining within minutes.
I'm talking about that our seniors, Simar Bhaiya, Safat Hussain.
Hello, Kiran.
They will be staying.
Hello, Kiran.
Yeah, Arun.
Who is the first participant?
Yeah, I'm telling that. The first participant we have to call is Anudiman. Please call Anudiman. Arun.
Okay, Kiran.
Bro, Kiran. So in this questions, answers will be said by like them. Once they confirm the answers, should Naveen say it's correct or wrong, or just next question?
No, bro. We will give result after this everything completed.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, don't say right or wrong.
Saurabh, hello. Wait a minute. Hello, Saurabh. Are you here?
Bro. Yeah, bro.
Actually, I will see that the answer is correct or not, because I don't have the answer. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I'm only checking that who is raising his hand first.
Where is Abhay? Is he in this
Abhay.
thing?
Actually, Abhay is having answer, bro. Naveen, Abhay is having answer. He is marking na. He is having answer.
He is in Google Meet or not? I think no.
Bro, he is in Google Meet.
He is?
No. I can't see him.
Wait, bro.
same.
Once I call him. Wait 1 second.
Do one thing. Hello.
Anu is trying to join. Please let her in.
Hello.
Yeah,
I'm
bro. Yeah,
audible.
bro.
Can I write the answer in my notebook, and I will in last I will make sure that
Yeah.
how much
This is
answer is.
not to be. This is not to be shown. Just put it down in your notebook for the time being.
Oh, okay. First participant is Anu.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Please allow her in. Please. She is trying to join.
Okay, Kiran. Okay.
Abhay should be here. Only then we can go on with this because he's the one writing the answers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Anu the manager.
He's coming, bro.
Yeah.
Welcome back, Anu.
Thank you, ma'am.
We can start with this round. Saurabh, please share your screen and.
Sure. Abhay, be ready with the answers, Abhay.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. Just cross check everything and just tell me once everything is done. I'll keep going to the next question.
Anu, we will be asking you questions here, 15 questions. For each question, we will set the timer at 20 seconds. Answer within 20 seconds, and we will be giving you scores.
Okay, Kiran.
Unmute your mic and answer, okay?
Sorry, could you repeat?
Kiran, now Abhay is here.
Okay, unmute your mic and answer, Anu, for each question.
Okay, Kiran.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Anu, here's your questions, and your first question is all ready, right? Everyone's fine for starting, right?
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, ready.
Yeah. First question. Your time started already.
उसका last 1 minute.
Safety
Last 10
numbers.
seconds.
Safety numbers.
Hold on.
Hello.
Yeah, bro.
Taking
Your
someone
answer
on.
will be recorded once you have said it. If it's correct,
Need
you
the
will get your
scores
results in the
and
end.
didn't
You just
get
you should just answer it right now. That's it.
that about results
Safety
you see?
numbers.
Something to do with feedback, is that?
We have.
Yes. Saurabh, bro, go to next question.
Okay, I know your second questions. Yeah.
We need to, and I those I'm getting.
Telangana region. So use yourself. I was just saying quite.
And that was
10 seconds more.
Long underwear. Long.
3, 2, and 1. So you're confirming your answer as the last one you said, right?
Yes, long underwear.
Yes,
Yeah.
that has to be confirmed. I mean, once she has spoken, it can't be changed.
Okay, fine. Sure. Okay, your third question's here.
Can 1 2 2 1 2 can 2 can 2 tokens.
Last 3 seconds, anyways. 2, 1, and your next question is yeah.
Hashtag.
15 more seconds.
10 10 1 2 3 4
5 more.
6 7 10 10
Three.
pounds overweight. 10 pounds overweight.
Okay, your time's up. And next question.
Pens. 1 2 1 2 2
Last 5 seconds, Anu. 3, 2,
Pair of
and 1.
pens.
Your next question.
Foreign language.
Okay, so I'll not be completing the seconds. I'll be just going to your next answer. Abhay is noted, right?
Yes, bro. Yes.
Yeah. Next question.
Foreign language.
Fish. Tuna fish.
Okay, that'll be noted. And your next question.
History repeat itself.
10 more seconds. Okay, that will be recorded. And your next question.
Mind matter. Mind over matter.
10 more seconds. Okay, your answer will be recorded. Next question.
Tuesday.
Your answer will be recorded, Anu. Your 11th question, yeah.
You are under arrest.
Okay. And your next question.
Makeup.
And this will be your next question.
Take a step backwards.
Your answer will be recorded.
Take a step backwards.
So go to next question, bro.
Yeah. Your last two questions. 15 more seconds.
Neon lights.
Okay, that will be recorded, and this will be your last question, Anu.
Okay. Free for all.
Okay. And that's it. Thank you for your participation.
Thank you so much, Anu.
Thank you so much, Anu.
And you have to join the validatory function at 5 to know your results, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, Kiran. Hello.
Yeah.
Can I use the meeting now? Hello?
Yeah, you can leave.
Yes, Anu.